day.
Good evening.
Did you all enjoy this?
Yes.
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 Big yes.
Excuse me.
Our founder, yes.
Can we have the word master's report?
Yes, please. Sorry, I forgot.
I did not, but I think so this was used for a top of men more than 20 times.
Wonderful. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Let me start from the word master. Probably many of us were unable to get the meaning. It could have been written in bold letters, and you could have come to the front and have taken the time, give a pause, explain, because it was a new word, and I could see many of them were busy finding the meaning and how to use the sentence through their
I'll send an
smartphone.
email to everybody.
Thank you so much, but this is for the usage in the meeting. In future, we should all take care of that. We learn best in moments of enjoyment. That was a quote from our founder, Toastmaster International, Charles Smidley. Hope you all enjoyed this evening.
Yes.
Yes.
It calls for loud applause, and this goes to all the EXCOM members who has done hard work. Not only taking care at their homes to celebrate, but they gave us an opportunity, particularly for those people who live alone. It's a very good opportunity. Thank you so much. We felt that we were in the festival with our family members. What I should say about RTM Modi, progress is excellent. I was so happy that you kept your commitment and you have prepared. Took us all the way from 7:15 till now. A wonderful job. Keep it up, and definitely we all believe that you will reach great heights. I request you all to thank you so much. You all might wonder why so much importance for the Toastmaster of the evening. Because like me, who was unable to get up from my seat and introduce myself, there are some people like that who have come a long way in Toastmasters, and this is his first attempt of being the Toastmaster of the evening. For that, he has done a great job. We should encourage him, and I'm sure that he will take often this role to do. And I request our VP Education to give him one more time in January, later in January. A few suggestions I do have for that. You had 2 round robin. We could have had 1 round robin with 20 seconds. And I should say that you were able to control this crowd of senior Toastmasters, particularly before the break. Yeah, that was wonderful. And I would request you to take the cue from our table topic master, a normal way of introducing table topic master, and you could do that for each one of your role players. Know something about them or what they think about the theme and introduce in your own words. That will give you a stage time to speak. That's where you borrow the stage time, being the Toastmaster of the evening. Excellent job. Speakers, your evaluation was done by our evaluators. I would like to mention for the benefit of all the evaluators, please do not make another speech. Stick to the objectives. We have to talk about the content and the delivery. and the objectives, and we have to add value for their speech. And it is of course our own speech with opening body and conclusion. Table topic master, as usual, an excellent and novel way of selecting the Toastmasters, the role players, and also the PowerPoints. I really enjoyed. Since we had time, you could have taken the opportunity to evaluate them, but I would like to mention, as the table topic master suggested, that you were all given some, poster with your own topics. You are your best evaluator. Think about how you have done and how you could do better. Shoot Master, our president, thank you so much, and we keep looking forward for the wonderful photographs. Thank you in your welcome speech for identifying us too. And I would say the nature was also praying with us. It so happened when you announced and requested us, prayer also started. That shows that whatever we give, the nature supports us. Timer, excellent job. It makes you glued to the timing machine. But I would like to mention that VP Education, I see Toastmaster Rajesh often behind the timer device. Please do give him some other role and others can take up that job. Last but not the least, every Diwali, Madam Toastmaster Anupama gives us a wonderful, delicious, mouth-watering delicacies. Thank you so much for that. Hope you all enjoy and do participate. Do not procrastinate. Yes, can I have your 2 sentences? What was your expectation when you came in, and was that met?
I was expecting to observe a good communicator, and yes, I'm very much excited to join this Toastmaster startup idea once I'm into a different state of life.
Thank you.
There is a good chance to learn and enhance your communication skills. So I'm trying to as a member.
Thank you.
Once again, Toastmaster of the evening, excellent job, keep it up.